Welcome back. I'm Stylist Lee, and if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe below. So if you've seen my last episode, you have seen the basic roller set. If you haven't, I'll be sure to attach it here. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you my 1-minute easy hair wrap. All you need is a bristle brush, a paddle brush, and a scarf. Super simple, under 1 minute, anybody can do it. So keep watching. Before you begin, go ahead and grab your paddle brush. You want to start at the top of the crown and brush the hair directly forward, going all the way around in a 360. Make sure you locate your part because you're going to want to start your wrapping and move away from the part. So for example, if your part is on your left side, you're going to want to start beginning your brushing on the right side. So you want to start moving and directing that hair to the right in a circular motion, and you want to get all that hair directed. Since her hair is freshly washed and we recently just removed her rollers out, her hair is very soft. This is common when you are doing a wrap on freshly clean hair. You will notice that the hair tends to fall a little bit because of the softness, which is not a problem. So when this happens, you want to make sure you get your bristle brush going around in a circular motion and smoothing those ends and hair all the way around. If you need to, go ahead and get you some clamps, maybe about 3, and you can clip the areas where it's falling at. While you're doing this, continue to smoothen out the hair with your bristle brush. Once you've completed with your wrap, you want to gently secure it by using a silk scarf. Be sure not to tie it up too tight because when you comb it down in the morning, it will leave dents. So make sure you keep it nice and smooth. And once you're finished, you're now ready for nighttime.